Question 3. Sketch the graphs of the linear system on the coordinate plane. Well, let's start with the second equation. That one's already in slope-intercept form. I'm going to cross at -5. That's my y-intercept, across the y-axis. And then the slope is up 5 and right 1. So there is our line. I can draw a line between those 2 points. All right, so that's going to look like that. Okay, and then I have another equation here. It's 2x minus y equals -1. So I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. So I'm going to take this 2x minus y equals -1, and I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. And that's going to move my x to the other side. I get a negative y equals a negative 2x minus 1. And then I can multiply by the reciprocal of -1, or just understand that a negative y becomes a positive y, the negative 2x becomes a positive 2x, and the negative 1 becomes a positive 1. So this equation is y equals 2x plus 1. Well, that means I'm going to cross the y-axis at positive 1, and my slope is up 2 right 1. Okay, so there's that point, and then I can draw the line through those 2 points, and I do end up with an intersection. Looks like right there. That is the point. Well, I counted these as 1, not halves. So 2, 5. That's the point 2, 5. And that should be my answer. So verify that so this is the ordered pair 2, 5. That's part A. And then verify that the ordered pair named in part A is a solution to 2x minus y equals 1. So I'm just going to substitute 2 times x, which we found was a 2, minus y, which we found was a 5, should be equal to -1. And let's see if that's true. 2 times 2 is 4 minus 5 equals -1, and 4 minus 5 is -1. So -1 equals -1. It does check out for the first equation. And now we'll try the second equation. Y, that's a 5, is equal to 5 times x, well, that's a 2, minus 5. And let's see, 5 is equal to, 5 times 2 is 10, minus 5. And yes, 5 is equal to 10 minus 5 is 5. So 5 equals 5 is also checks out. So 2, 5 is the solution to that system.